And here we go, starting off the first quarter. Solid gain for 4 yards by the junior Jontra Ritter. They were able to have a 44-yard pass to Oliver Carter. Nice little moves by Q Simon for a touchdown. Throws it to Oliver Carter. Nice 19-yard gain. Short pass to Jontra Ritter. 5-yard gain. Bomb to Q Simon. And he'll be gone for the touchdown. Steps out of the pocket, throws it to Q Simon, and he'll be gone. Wait, maybe. Never mind, he gets tackled for a 29-yard gain. Screen pass to Oliver Carter. Runs out of bounds for 16. Throws to Q Simon. Tackled out of bounds. Throws it to whoever this random is for a touchdown. Throws to Q Simon, and he's gone. Oh my goodness, could he run it for a touchdown? Runs out of bounds. Throws to a wide open Oliver Carter. In Idaho territory. Fade for a touchdown. Wide open Oliver Carter, who nice juke moves. Pushed out of bounds. Sai's wide open again. First down. Short pass to Jontra Ritter. Well, there goes his ankles, haha. And he's tackled. Golly, what's taking that DL so long? Pass to Q Simon and touchdown. Short pass to Ritter.
Come, you 5.
Who the hell are you? Get out. Wait, what happened? Pass to Simon. Tackled for 16. Pass to Simon, and he hurdles someone. Touchdown. First down. First down. First not. Bomb to Oliver. Touchdown.